day one of the OBI trip. We got 3 parts for y'all. Day one. Me and Vic going to the airport. Let's get this bread.
When you go down here, make a left. Left of that main road.
Albert Huggins and you with the ass right here, twerking.
Souvenir and ass. I got you. I got you.
But I want to see a big eye go.
It may not be a nice ass, but I'm gonna get you ass.
Bro, it could be a cottage cheese ass.
All right, let's go to the airport.
Oh, you're going to
back like we never left.
Let's do it.
Vic's the go right here. Hey, be safe. I'll see you when I get back. All right.
You on the other side?
Let's get this bread. Come get me on.
Hey, where the hose?
Oh no, it isn't. Oh, what up, bro?
What up, man?
What up, bro?
What's
Jerry.
What's with the cheddar?
You ain't ready for the cheddar.
Cheddar, man?
You ain't ready for the cheddar. Oh no, it ain't.
Yeah, what's up?
No, it ain't.
You good?
The fuck? Hey, yeah.
What's good, bro?
Let's go. No, this man does not have a trash can in this moment. Look.
It's full too.
There's a trash can. What is this?
Hey, bro. I don't like making mess.
Fucking truck.
Yo.
Yeah. So we touched down in Pensacola. We got about 30 minutes before we get to the Airbnb. We're gonna check out the Airbnb and then we go ride over to the wharf. That's where the show's at because we're in OBI for the weekend. We got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to hang out. We got the whole gang back together from Houston. It's round 2. I'm super fucking excited. We got your boy Jerry out here. Jerry from fucking New Orleans. We got Albert Huggins. You know we had to bring Albert Huggins in. You know he had to come get me from the airport. It ain't the right vibe unless they come get me from the airport. That's just what it is. And we got old Dick Pic running around somewhere, old Chandler. He's in there taking a piss, taking more pics, you know what I mean? He's doing his thing. But look, I'm excited. We're hanging out in Orange Beach for the weekend. We got 3 videos planned. So if you guys are seeing this video, make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned because we got 2 more videos dropping tonight, tomorrow, and Monday night. Stay tuned.
Let's get Instagram.
Let's get this bread.
Followers.
Yeah. Follow my guy, Jerry. Look, Jerry done popped out with the Toyos this weekend. Got some new struts since the Toyo. You don't even know how to act right now.
Tell you what.
You don't know how to act.
Self-done too. I don't have to have nobody.
Nobody. We don't need nobody.
Nobody.
I'm an independent woman around here. All this ass out here. Wait, what?
What?
You think what?
I think we got scammed, cuz.
Why?
He said,
They ain't look like in a picture. Oh, man.
That's not how it looked in the picture?
Yeah, I looked in the picture. Hey, Al.
Hey, Charlie.
I forgot my golf shoes, man. Right on to the front?
Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
That's a code?
Look at that Bread Gang shirt though.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
How you feeling right now?
Sketchy. This crack house. I think go next door and get some meth, I guarantee you. You're like, can I get some sugar? Can I get some sugar and some meth? Got any heroin?
Yeah, mix.
What y'all did?
How you turn the thing on?
Oh my God.
That shit just... Stop!
Dad figured it out.
How you do that?
Probably a pound.
Oh, that's what I thought.
See, I told you, there gotta be a pound or something after, you know?
Oh, that's kind of nice.
It's dumb.
Oh!
It's on trash.
Oh! The damn stairs. Bro, this is a little spot up here.
How you do that fucking...
Oh, they got a Wii up here? Oh, they got a Wii up here.
Board games?
Oh, they got Dance on Broadway.
Oh, shit.
Mario Kart, Wii Resort.
They got some puzzles?
Bro, this is lit.
Some puzzles?
Bro, this is lit.
Hey, look. He's taking pictures.
Little water view. What?
Appreciate the inside.
What? I just wanted to show the people what we working with.
Shit.
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, go. You need a flashlight.
Oh, somebody had been staying up in this motherfucker.
Really?
No, I'm just fucking with you.
Bro, what's going on, bro?
I thought that was a raccoon or something, man.
Ain't no way.
Come on, what?
Oh, I'm so jealous. You gonna use it? No.
Hold on. That shit's gonna come out this way.
Wait, they don't got it on.
Yo, it's splattered on the window, bro. On the mirror.
Hey, ow.
Oh man, I'm crying,
Gosh,
bro.
damn.
Here's
I am.
ready? Fire in the hole. Ready?
Yeah. Oh shit! Why is it so strong?
That's how I do my women.
Stop.
I wouldn't even. I think the tennis balls mean bodies. Bodies. Bro, so we've made it to the wharf. We made it to the strip where the show is. Look, I can already see Sal's truck, which is cool. We made it to Orange Beach. Friday is the slow night, so there's not gonna be a lot going on out here. They're still setting up a little bit. Obviously, I've only been here for 30 seconds and I can already see a bunch of vehicles that I saw at LST. But we're just gonna walk around, check the place out, scope the place out, and we're gonna have a really big day tomorrow, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. But we're gonna check out some trucks Friday night while it's not too busy.
Every 3 minutes, I'm gonna yell, that ain't that wide bow tie, is it?
Don't play games with me.
This is the, I guess this is the night to get everything up, right?
JTX booth with no JTX people. Chris, where you at, buddy? I like the Chris. Oh, I thought. Oh, you like the boggers?
Touching that motherfucker, man.
Look, touch the phone.
Touch the foot. Look, the little ice cube.
I ain't touching
Hey, that's clean though. Woo! Oh, I was just talking about you.
He said, hey.
You gonna get? Yeah, I was like, Chris, where you at?
He's
Sitting
here.
over here. What up, bro?
How are you?
You doing good?
Good.
We're gonna come hang out with Chris a little bit tomorrow. Chris is super cool, works for JTX. We do a lot of business with JTX. We got the JTX. Oh, look, this is Colton's new truck. Colton's new truck with the JTX Paradigm, the any level lift. I haven't seen his new truck, and this is his other truck. Y'all go show some love to Colton. Colton is a hometown boy from Mcdonough. Well, he lives around the Mcdonough area, so this is his new any level lift. He just finished, got the 30-inch JTX wheels, and then this is the dually that he has that we saw at LST. Freaking beautiful. This is Sal's lower truck. So one of Sal's trucks is sitting down there, a lifted one, and then he's got this lowered GMC on the first set of JTX billet wheels, which is super cool. First JTX set of billet JTX wheels. It's a mouthful in the whole world, which is super freaking cool. Truck is completely, from the last time you guys saw it, he's definitely changed some things. It's sitting a lot lower this time as it was last time, and we're gonna get him to kind of explain it a little bit more of that tomorrow, but it's just kind of cool to see a familiar truck out here already. The blue dually is really cool. I really like that. That's nice. I do like the green. The green with the matte black is really nice. I like that. Look at the big, look, this is a big 10 lug cap on that thing. That's cool. Look at the lifted rippers. He's leaning. Why it sit like that? Freaking Yukon. That's cool. I like the neon. The neon's cool. I really like that. Gotta love the big Jeeps, right? Gotta love the big Jeeps. Oh, don't come over here with all that unnecessary bullshit. Don't come over here with all that. I really like, it's like a tangerine color. I saw KG1 film this one and put this one on their Instagram page. So if y'all don't follow KG1, make sure you guys go check out KG1 and Fury's Instagram page. Fury has the best big wheel tire on the market right now, and KG1's got a killer ass set of wheels. A lot of the cool designs they got available right now. Gotta show love to the GMC. Ooh, GMC with the barbecue floating center caps. It's freaking clean. I've been seeing this one on Instagram a lot, Polar Max. I think it's a guy out of Alabama, so he's not far from here, but I've been seeing this Cateye get rebuilt on Instagram for a long time, and it's cool to finally see something like this in person. So make sure you guys go show some love to, man, what was guy's Instagram? It's gotta be on the truck somewhere. I'm gonna have to come find him tomorrow, so you guys go show some love. Look, the Top Notch decal in the back there too. Shout out Top Notch decals. Y'all go show some love. I like the trucks with all the candy paint on it. Look, this one's got engraved intro wheels on it. That's freaking cool, bro. That's cool. Look at the beautiful, beautiful any level lift. I gotta tell you in the video every day. Y'all know what the vibes are. More coming tomorrow.
I got more cheddar than this guy.
Yeah. Hey, from last time though.
Hey, let me tell you, I'm gonna make him bread gang soon enough.
Hey, I like it. Hey, y'all know what it is. Seafood, steak, and oysters. What you know about it? You like to eat them steamed or raw?
I like to eat them. I like to eat them. You take them, you spread them open.
Come on now.
Look, dip
Come
it.
on.
Look, you like to dip it in like the Tony Sacharans, and then you get in there. You know what I'm saying?
Get in there.
You get in there with them. You know what I mean? Like.
Oh, this is dope though. This is cool. Look at that motherfucker though. That's cool, bro. I like that. I like the turquoise. I like the GMC's cool. Ooh, that's fire. That's fire. I love that. I love that. Shout out Dude's Fab Shop. Freaking cool. He's got the Dodge too. Oh, there's all kinds of shit out here too. That's crazy. I didn't even know there was stuff out here. Look. Ooh, the Flawless Whips booth. Flawless Whips booth. Justin, where you at? We're gonna be back tomorrow. We're gonna be back tomorrow. Look, we got a couple posted up outside. Okay, with the lights on. With the lights on. Axe Wheel booth. That might be my thumbnail right there, motherfucker. Look at this thing. I love the cat eyes, I really do. Look at that sway bar up there though. What's that for? Somebody tell me in the comments, what's the big sway bar in the front used for? Because I don't know. It's on a Kelderman kit. That's Andrew's truck.
That's what I'm telling you.
Get out of my shot, dick pic. I'm just messing with you. That Kelderman kit. I know y'all have seen that one before. Shout out to Andrew. Y'all go show some love to Andrew. In the comments, drop a comment. Look, yeah. I've been seeing this on Instagram a lot. Look. Starlight kit in the wheel wells.
I'm about to order me another kit.
You like that?
I'm about to order another kit.
You gonna get you one? Put it in the wheel wells?
We'll do it.
That's cool, bro. That's different.
Kind of changed it.
You gotta find ways to be
You don't
different,
see too much,
and that's different.
Yeah.
I'm liking it.
I've
Hey,
seen it a couple times.
all love for me. That's cool. Find ways to be different. Look, I'm not a Ford guy, but the old school, kind of stunting on them a little bit with the old school. Not gonna lie.
What's up, man?
What'd they say?
What?
Oh man, that's too easy.
Oh yeah, that's too easy right there. Hey, nah, this gonna be the next build though, for real. If I ever get another build,
That's it. 2,500,
2,500.
9-inch lifts, some 26s.
We going AT4. We can't go Denali.
Got a AT4. Have to.
Too much money right there.
Have
you know
to.
what I'm saying?
Have
I don't need the bells and whistles.
No.
I just wanted the look of it. You know.
We're gonna make it look good regardless. Regardless, break gang shit.
With the JT, I can't go JT. I don't know if I can go JTH. You know what I'm saying? I might have to go Forgiato.
Ooh, okay. Okay, with the grill out on them. With the grill out.
I don't stop nobody unless they're acting stupid. So.
I appreciate people like
But
that.
that's just me. There's other people that are not
I've had them.
not like that. Yeah, I have too.
This one's cool. Copper wheels. With the carbon shocks. Carbon shocks are cool. I like it.
Go there, yeah. There you go, watch it go.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
What?
Oh, yep. Retire, please.
This game right here.
Oh, he said he's
South
retired.
Carolina.
He said he's retired.
Where you going?
What you about though?
That's not
Okay. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna get this one right here.
Nah, I don't believe you.
This right here. Watch it.
I don't believe
All day.
Nah, you're done. You're done.
You ordered tartar sauce a minute ago. What you use yours for?
Fish.
It goes with fish.
Can I get some more ranch and tartar sauce?
Big ass hand.
Had to make sure it was real, bro. Get your freaking
Look, look. We got a little Friday night special, surf and turf, shrimp and the shrimp, little peppered iPhone, little surf and turf, you know, a little green bean and mashed potato action.
Wasn't hitting on.
Hold on.
Yes, sir.
It's good.
It's good. I'm rocking with it. Sounds like
Hey man, let me tell you something. My boy Alex, he really liked that. But he's the man.
we get the bread and that's what we do.
Okay.
What we drinking? What we working on over here?
You really want to know?
What we working on? Yeah.
You really want to know?
Yeah. I wouldn't have asked if I didn't want to know.
It's a little hurricane.
Hey, that's a thick straw, my guy.
Drink it real quick. So you get drunk.
That's a thick straw. What you doing? Bro, what are you working on over here? What are you working on? Bro, that straw is kind of thick, buddy.
Slide on a real one, on my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted $1 million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. When I'm in it, I got you going, oh.
What you think? What you think? What you think?
Talking about this right here?
What you think? Yeah.
Too much money, bro.
Too much money?
Somebody signed the back up.
Too much money?
Too much. Somebody signed the back of it? Yeah, it's too much money, bro. Like, you know,
Glow in the dark though?
come on, son.
Glow in the dark though?
Come on, son. Like, I like it. I
That's
really
cool.
do.
That's cool.
It's too flashy for me, though.
I understand that. I understand that.
That black light, bro?
That
It's
black
cool.
light, you like it?
It's cool. Hey, keep your pants away from it.
Dick pic.
Seriously, it's like, I'm good. This is my favorite part of fucking OBI. Yes.
The lowriders.
Hard body right there, bro. Shit.
Damn. Get two of them.
Hey, look, bro. It's fucking 2 o'clock in the morning.
We got the we working though.
Let me show you how a real one does.
And that's how
It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
bro, that's how you end off day one at OBI though.
Yeah, man. Plays
With the-
Wii
with the
over here
Wii?
at the fucking house. Nobody plays this shit anymore. It's like 2010 shit.
Nah, facts though.
That bowling, but you know, some people sleep in the truck.
Yeah, I was sleeping in the truck. They went bowling and I took a little nap. I had to get some work done. You know, we trying to get this content out for
Let
y'all.
me tell you something, bro. He
Bro,
gonna.
fuck up, blow up.
Man, you're trash. You're in last place.
I asked Alex, can he bowl? He said, yeah, I could bowl. He went to sleep in the truck, bro. That's how I know you can't bowl, bro.
Man, give me the fucking bullet. Watch out.
What?
Get out
Oh, you got the bullet?
Get out my way.
You used it too early, bro.
Bowl these nuts in you, man. It's too late. Let's get this bread.